Mr. Jackson Barringer will be coming to give our student-led devotional today.
The verse I chose was 1 Corinthians 13, 4 through 7, and okay, great, yeah, I'll read that. So basically, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, it always trusts, always hopes, and always preserves. So basically, I chose this verse because it's, in the Christian community, we're often told that we should love others and not often told how we might go about doing that. And this is just a practical approach to how we can follow Jesus and just walking in love. And so these qualities of love are basically qualities of Jesus because Jesus is love. And so I've been told of an exercise where you put Jesus' name in for love, and so Jesus is patient. And so what I've done is I've basically put my name in for love. And it basically tells me where I fall short and where I need work in my life. And it's done a great deal. It's just had a great effect in my life, and I think it's a useful exercise. And I challenge all of you to do that.
Good job, man.
Thank you, Jackson.